Hi, in this video we will learn how to create a table in Excel. Here I have some normal data. First, select all the data cells. Now go to the Home tab and click on Format as Table. Here you will see different table styles and color formats. You can also create your own custom table style. Select any style. A dialog box will appear showing the selected data range, for example B2 to F8. Below that, you will see the option My Table has headers. If your data has headers, keep it ticked, untick it. I will keep it ticked and click OK. Your data is now converted into a table. You can easily add more columns and rows. For example, I add a May column and a new row for Chris. Now you will see a new tab called Table Design. If you click outside the table, this tab will disappear. Click inside the table again to make it visible. From the Table Styles drop-down, you can change the color and design of the table at any time. You will also notice filter drop-down buttons in the header row. Using these, you can sort and filter data, for example, from largest to smallest or vice versa. Let's say I want to see data for only Daniel and Emily. I will untick Select All, tick Daniel and Emily, and click OK. To remove the filter, simply click Clear Filter from the column header. If you want to remove filter buttons, go to the Table Design tab and untick Filter button. Here you will also see more options. Header row, show or hide the header row. Total row adds a total row at the bottom, where you can easily apply functions like sum, average, and more. You can choose different functions for each column. If you want to copy one function to all total cells, enter it in one cell, then drag it using the fill handle. Banded rows shows alternating row colors. First column applies formatting to the first column. Last column applies formatting to the last column. Banded columns applies alternating colors to columns paid. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.